Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, scammers never stop, do they? No, they don't. They always come up with innovative ideas to deceive ordinary people like you and me. So it's very important more than ever that we protect ourselves and we verify everything that comes to us and doesn't just go after everything that hits our devices. Now I got this text message: RBC, for security reasons we have placed a maintenance on your card. To remove this, please verify your account at this. Do you really think this is from RBC? It's not. By looking at the URL itself, anybody can say that this is not legitimate. But it's a sad point that out of 100 or maybe 1000, at least there'll be a few people who will fall victim to this. They will just hit on this URL and then they'll be subjected to further scamming activities. So it's very important that we protect ourselves and those we love and we don't fall victim to these things. So at this moment I would suggest, like, please share it with others so that innocent people can be saved. And at the same time, if you get any text like this one is clearly a scam, because most of the people can understand. But if there is something that looks very much genuine, still don't click on any link. Um, call your bank service center, their call center. Tell, hey, I have got this message, is there anything wrong with my account? You can even tell them that I got a message from this number. All the details you can tell them, but don't click on any link. They will confirm it's genuine or not, and that is how you can protect yourself. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.